10 Tips How to be a minimalist for beginners. Start small. Begin by decluttering a single room or area, rather than trying to tackle everything at once. Set a goal. Determine what you hope to achieve by becoming a minimalist. This could be anything from reducing stress to saving money to having more time for the things you love. Get rid of unnecessary items. Go through your possessions and ask yourself if each item serves a purpose or brings you joy. If not, consider getting rid of it. Use the one in, one out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, get rid of an old one to help keep your possessions in balance. Invest in quality over quantity. Rather than buying cheap, disposable items, consider purchasing a few high-quality items that will last. Simplify your routines. Look for ways to streamline your daily routine, such as by using fewer products or cutting out unnecessary tasks. Organize your space. Proper organization can help you make the most of your possessions and reduce clutter. Find joy in the simple things. Rather than seeking out new possessions, focus on finding joy in the things you already have. Practice gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude for the things you have, rather than constantly seeking out new possessions. Seek out like-minded people. Find a community of like-minded people, either online or in your local area, to support and inspire you on your minimalist journey.